Today we are going to discuss a brand Parkway Group which is into healthcare, and you can see the building or the hospital which they have. This hospital is in Singapore. So Pathway Pathway Pentai Limited. So the name of the group is Pathway Pentai Limited. This group is into healthcare and they are providing world class quality healthcare. So they are providing you the services which you will get at the five-star hotel. So they believe that the patient should not be ignored. The patient should be treated with the dignity. The patient should be treated with the respect, and patient should feel like he is in his home. The all facility should be provided to the patient. The duration of uh, the treatment should not be during the duration of the treatment, patient should not feel that he is alone, he is suffering from disease, or he should not be feel bored, and he should be enjoy the journey of uh, getting cured from the disease. He should forget his pain and his discomfort. They have a mission that they should provide high level of care to the patient. They have a mission that they should provide the high level of care to the patient, and the patient should feel that he is in his home. So as much at home as possible, that they are providing the care, so that patient should feel that he is at home. Patient should be treated with dignity, with respect. Patient will be given a translator if many of their clients are international clients, many of their patients are international patients, so a translator is provided so that patient should able to communicate properly. Then patient should be given a chance to have second opinion. Suppose patient should not feel, if the patient felt that the diagnosis which a doctor has given is may not be correct, then they will they will ask to have second opinion from different doctor. So patient also have a chance so that he can get the advice from some other doctor. So there is a choice, there is an option to the given to the patient. The key person behind this healthcare group is Dr. Lim Chiok. The founder of this group is Dr. Liam Chok, and he has very good vision that they should enter into the world class quality healthcare, and patients should receive high level, high quality of healthcare. They have a joint venture with Apollo Hospital in India, and that's how they are growing. They are uh, they are assisting, they are working with other hospitals to grow or to provide good health care to the patient. They are providing exceptional patient care. They are providing care like a five-star hotel. They have specialty clinics in the areas including oncology, neurology, optometry, and fertility. They are providing all type of healthcare, but their specialty is in oncology, neurology, optometry, and fertility. They are also working on medical tourism. They have, as per the MTQVA, they are the 19th, ninth best. They have the ninth best hospital for the medical tourism. They are providing top quality services at top locations. So they have strategically selected their location. During the admission, they are helping a lot. So from before getting admitted and after surgery also they are providing services. So they are providing services from pre-admission to post-surgical care. They are also providing customized services. So as per the requirement of the patient, they are providing the services. Like I was saying that they are providing services like five-star hotel. So they are providing customized services as per the requirement of the patient. Appointment is not required. Patient can come at any point of time. He will be given a doctor. He will be given a bed. They have 18 specialized hospitals. They are working like they are providing like a five-star hotel guest. So they have 18 hospital in which you will get five-star hotel like treatment for the patient. They also have high-speed internet, video on demand, and video games for the children in their hospital. So they are also providing services so that patient should not feel bored or patient should not feel isolated. Medical staff, they in some of their hospital, they are giving exclusive medical staff to each suit. They have one hospital in Dubai. There they are providing exclusive medical staff for the patient. They are also providing post surgical care insurance. They are also providing post surgical care insurance so that the uh, patient should not feel worried. Patient's expenses should be as minimum as possible. At Malaysia, they have hospital where all socio-economic level patients are treated. So they have a hospital in Malaysia where they are treating all types of patient from all socio-economic background. So they are not discriminating that they are providing services to the rich people. All people, irrespective of their socio-economic background, they are provided services. Like somebody is from the lower class, somebody is from the middle class, somebody is from the upper class. All patients are treated. So this is very unique hospital, and this is a role model for all uh, hospitals. They are inviting specialists to purchase or rent room in its premises. So if a if a specialist or a doctor is living inside the campus, then he can be approached at any point of time, and he will be available at any point of time. And because of the specialist is living in the premises, he can refer so many clients. So their patients number will also increase. They have given a guarantee that if a patient comes to them, they will give a bed. So you will definitely get a bed in whenever you are approaching this hospital. In Singapore, they have 4,228 doctors in their network. So in Singapore, they have signed 4,228 doctors to provide healthcare. They also have PPA service. PPA service is Parkway Patient Assistant. This is the one stop, one stop, one stop service where you will get all kind of specialists. They are providing PPA service where you at the one stop you will get all kind of specialists. Also, they will provide you information that how much expenditure, how much minimum expenditure or how much maximum expenditure you will occur for the disease we are suffering from. So PPA service is very important. So we are starting our main case studies. Parkway Pentai Limited is a medical company based in Singapore and is South Asia's largest private healthcare provider and one of the largest in Asia. So this is the uh, basic information about the Parkway Pentai Limited or the healthcare group. This is a medical company based in Singapore and is the Southeast Asia's largest private healthcare provider and one of the largest in Asia. It is wholly owned subsidiary of Kuala Lumpur-based IHH Healthcare, whose largest shareholder is Malaysian State Investment Agency Khazanah National. Parkway Pentai operates private hospitals in Singapore, Brunei, China, Hong Kong, Malaysia, India, Vietnam, and UAE. Parkway Group of Healthcare, headquartered in Singapore, was founded by Dr. Lim Chio Peng and others in 1987, has grown internationally by annexing other hospitals. So founder of this Parkway Group Healthcare is Dr. Lim Chio. It started in 1987 and it started growing with help by forming a joint venture with some other hospital. For example, Parkway's joint venture with Apollo Hospital in India has facilitated its expansion into the Indian market. Parkway's hospitals provide exceptional patient care and offer specialty clinics in areas including oncology, neurology, optometry, and fertility. So Parkway Hospital has all the specialization, but they are known specially for the oncology, neurology, optometry, and fertility. The radiology department serves hospitals regionally. So the radiology department is also good, and it is also helping in some other locations. Its laboratories serve in, inpatients and outpatients in Singapore, and it runs physical rehabilitation service. In 2013, the Medical Travel and Health Tourism Quality Alliance (MTQVA) ranked Singapore's Glene, Gleneagles Hospital, Parkway's flagship hospital, as ninth highest and on its list for medical tourism in 2013. So there is a group called MTQVA who gives the ranking for the hospital based for the medical tourism. In 2013, they got the ninth rank under this uh, under this evaluation agency. According to MTQVA, Gleneagles provide top quality medical services in top quality location. This high claim is testament to Parkway's group's primary mission, which is to make a difference in people's lives through high level of patient care. So their mission is to provide high level of quality care to the patient. Parkway's focus on providing excellent service starts with its pre-admission procedure and continues through post-surgical care. So before a person get admitted, they are also providing services. Maybe it is for reservation of a bed, or maybe for advice from the any doctor, or any other kind of information. Even after surgery, they are not leaving the patient alone. They are also providing post-surgical care. To take the patient's need fully into account, the company applies a different set of service standards in different hospitals. So they are also providing customized services as per the requirement of the patient. In all its hospital, however, the patients can just approach the reception counter and ask for the assistance instead of making appointment beforehand. So in this Parkway group of healthcare, there is no need of taking appointment. You just go there and you will be given treatment, you will be given doctor, you will be given bed. Doctors on duty Doctors on duty make a preliminary recommendations, then hospital administrations bring in appropriate specialists to provide the necessary care. So whenever you approach this hospital, first of all doctor will check and he will give preliminary recommendation, and as per their recommendation hospital will provide specialist, and that specialist will diagnose that disease and will start the services, taking into the uh, permission from that particular patient. Parkway operates 18 hospitals with over 3,500 beds in Singapore, Malaysia, Brunei, India, China, and UAE. Patients are treated like five-star hotel guests. At Danat Al Emirates Women and Children's Hospital in Abu Dhabi, patient rooms are fully equipped with the high-speed internet, video on demand, and video games for children. So this Pathway Hospital in their Dubai center, or in their Dubai hospital, they are providing high-speed internet, video on demand, and video games for the children, so that the all the family should not feel bored, or they should enjoy their stay at the hospital. The royal suites at Danat Al Emirat have dedicated medical staff exclusive to each suite, but Parkway attends to more than just a patient's comfort. So in the hospital which are there in the Dubai and UAE and Saudi Arabia, there they are providing exclusive medical staff for each suite, and they are also providing additional services like just we discussed, high speed internet, video on demand, and video games. So they are taking care of the patient like we take care of the customer in five-star hotel. At the Singapore's flagship Gleneagles Hospital, post-surgical care insurance provides coverage for treatment of the post-surgical complications for all patients. So they are not leaving patient alone after surgery. They are also providing post-surgical care insurance. So in case of some complications after surgery, they should not be charged more and they will be treated without any tension. Coverage begins from the moment initial surgery is completed and ends 24 hours after a patient has been discharged. Parkway's Pentai Hospital in Penang, Malaysia caters to the patients at all socio-economic levels. So Parkway's Pentai Hospital in Penang, Malaysia caters to patients at all socio-economic levels. Just we discussed at the start, uh, this Malaysian hospital, Parkway Pentai Hospital, is role model for every hospital because irrespective of socio-economic level, they are treating the patient with equal respect. So somebody may be from the lower class or somebody may be from the poor or uh, below poverty line and somebody may be from the rich class, middle class, upper middle class. They are given, all the patients are given respect and dignity. At the lowest price range, beds in the open ward painted a cool lavender begin at $40. However, a deluxe room costing $110 per night has the feel of a luxury chalet. So at the lowest price range, beds in the open ward painted a cool lavender begin at the $40. And however, a deluxe room costing $110 per night has the feel of a luxury chalet. So they are providing all types of services. They are providing deluxe services, they are providing luxurious services, and they are providing ordinary services also. It is fully air conditioned and features a lounge area with the dining table and private bathroom. A refrigerator is provided as well. The patient in Pantai Penang's deluxe suites are meant to feel as much at home as possible. So this pathway group, this parkway group is providing services to the patient, and they are the patient is feeling like patient should feel like he is at his home. Gleneagles Singapore has novel way of attracting new patients. The hospital invites specialists to purchase or rent rooms on its premises. So specialists are asked to purchase flat or room in their premises so that they can take care of the patient and they should not suffer due to traveling, due to the traffic. So they if the specialist is purchasing room in their premises or taking the rooms on the rent, then that specialist will be available 24 hours to treat the patient. Then because of the proximity, these doctors tend to admit their patient to Gleneagles. The admissions desk operates around the clock to accommodate every patient that walks in through the door. So they have 24-hour services and they are open for all. And the if the specialist purchase or rent room in their premises, they also ask their patient to get admitted at their hospital. So hospital is also benefiting due to the specialist stay at the premises, and that specialist doctors patients are also benefiting. A patient is allowed to proceed to the admissions desk at any time of the day without the need for a referral and be guaranteed a bed. So there is no need of referral. There is no need of any doctor. Patient can admit themselves and they will be given guaranteed a bed. Gleneagles has 700 doctors and across the whole Singapore group they have around 4,220 doctors. So this Parkway group has 428 doctors which are there in service at any point of time. Parkway understands the patient have the right to be treated with dignity, with respect and be kept fully apprised of the progress of their treatment via translator if needed. So uh, they are Parkway group is giving dignity and respect to the patient. They are providing translator so that the progress of the treatment should be communicated to the patient. A patient in the Parkway Hospital is also always entitled to request a second opinion from an accredited doctor. The company believes every patient must be allowed to participate in and understand their own healthcare needs. So, unlike the other hospital where the treatment is only one-sided, in the Parkway Hospital, at any point of time, patient can ask for the second opinion, second doctor's opinion. Parkway Patient Assistant (PPA), one of the Gleneagles Singapore's initiative, provides a one-stop service for international patients looking for specialist expertise and personalized care and cutting-edge technology. So PPA is their specialized service where you will have advice from specialist expertise, you will have personalized care, you will have cutting-edge technology, and you will definitely get solution for your problems and your doubts will be clear. PPA staff also provides advice on estimated cost of treatment and procedures. So PPA service is luxury service. PPA service is most specialized service which Parkway Healthcare can offer. The CEO of the Parkway Holdings, Dr. Tan Si Lang, has noted that Asia is becoming a hub for the patient treatment. He believes that in the next 1 or 2 years, we'll see great benefits for Asian healthcare providers as long as high quality services is provided. So CEO of the Parkway Holdings, Dr. Tan Si Leng, who is also the founder, uh, is is of the opinion that Asia will become hub for the healthcare and treatment for the patients, and within very short period of time Asia will become a destination for patients all around the world, and there are very good chances that uh, Asia will grow like anything. Parkway's Group's biggest strength lies in its ability to capture the market for the medical tourists in the Asia region and expected to be worth at least 10 billion by 2015. Low cost, high quality healthcare in Asia is estimated to attract over 10 million tourists a year. If Parkway Group continues to expand its reach and maintain the world class quality of its medical establishment, then the sky is the limit what it can achieve. So there are two questions on this case study. With many hospitals in Asia competing in the medical tourism market, how can Parkway position itself in order to attract more patients? So Parkway is providing Parkway is doing very great. Parkway is providing world-class quality healthcare services to the patient. Parkway has a mission that they should provide high level of the patient care. So these things they have very good service. They are doing good. They have all types of infrastructure. They have all types of specialty. They have a huge network of the doctor. That should be communicated properly to the patient. So they have right type of services, right type of product they have. They should communicate to the their target market right type of patients which are into need of such a services, and that message, that communication should happen through proper medium and at that right place. So advertising should be there, promotion should be there, communication should be there to the patient that such a types of services are available. uh, So this is the otherwise they are doing very well. Second question is Parkway hospitals do not employ many doctors but depend on the use of the space hospital services by the private specialists. What are the risks in this approach? So if Parkway hospital is more dependent on the specialist from outside, then it might happen that their patient may feel that uh, hospital is not in a position to recruit more doctors, and patient will not believe on the healthcare facilities provided by the Parkway Hospital. So patients may not feel comfortable and confident to deal with the Parkway Hospital if they have more doctors from outside. patient may require care at the time when patient may require serious care. That time these hospital which are outside may not be available. These doctors or the specialists which are providing services which are outsiders may have some different commitment with some other hospital. So when in emergency, at the time of emergency, these specialists which are hired from the outside may not be available, and which will dissatisfy the customers. And if there is a bad reputation that their patients are not getting specialist, patients are not getting specialist or the doctor at the time of emergency, then it will hamper the reputation of the hospital. Parkway Hospital is doing best in their area, so there are no lot of weaknesses regarding Parkway Hospital. So this is the case study on Parkway Hospital. Hope you have understood this case study. And for such a good case studies, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Kindly like, share, and comment. And we will come with one more case study, one more good case study. So thank you so much.